My name is Bernadette O'Rourke. I'm a professor of sociolinguistics at the University of Glasgow. My area of expertise lies within the broad area of societal multilingualism. I've also a strong interest in the dynamics of minoritized language communities and language policies. I'm particularly interested in new speaker dynamics. New speakers are those who acquired a language outside of traditional intergenerational transmission and who acquired the minoritized language through other means, such as the education system, immersion schooling, or through language revitalisation projects within the community. In this Horizon Europe project, I am working group lead for work package 3, which focuses on languaging in Europe. And this work package has 6 case studies. And one of the case studies which I am focusing on in particular is the Galician case study. Galician is a minoritized language in the autonomous community of Galicia in northwestern Spain. And I'm working on this particular case study with Paula Teixeira Molans and Alejandro Dayen Fernandez. This case study looks particularly at the dynamics of language revitalization in urban communities. And we're particularly interested in looking at the way in which these communities create strategies to enhance and develop the use of a minoritized language, and how we can learn from these strategies and how other multilingual contexts can learn from these. We're working in close collaboration with various grassroots movements, such as Semente. This is a project which developed in 2011. It's a project which builds around immersion schooling in the city of Santiago de Compostela, and also has developed in other cities across Galicia. We're very interested in looking at the way in which tradition is also reinvented in urban context, and we're working particularly with people involved in the regueifa movement. Regueifa is the singing in verse, and it's a tradition, an older, long-term tradition in Galicia, which is now being reinvented, particularly by younger members of the population. And we're interested in understanding how this particular project can inform other language revitalization projects in multilingual contexts across Europe. In Work Package 3, we aim to look at cross-cutting themes across the 6 case studies and come up with a set of recommendations that will help us to think about multilingualism in different ways, think about ways in which Europe's linguistic capital can be enhanced.